A lot of people believe that you have to be rich to own a Ducati, that it's very expensive to maintain. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about ownership costs. And yes, I got my first service bill for the maintenance that was performed on my Ducati XDiavel S.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Got my first service bill from Ducati, and you know what? It didn't really shock me. Only $292.50. They did a full synthetic oil change, replaced the oil cartridge and copper gasket, replaced the brake fluid and hydraulic clutch fluid, and of course did all the recall work. And this is considered their annual maintenance service. So technically it's only going to cost me less than $300 to maintain this Ducati a year. And as you guys know, I don't plan on touching this bike at all, only riding it. I'm going to have Ducati do all the service work. If you read the fine print of the warranty, it says to have all work done on your Ducati at your authorized Ducati service center, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not going to touch this bike at all. No oil changes, nothing. Just having a good time riding this bike, that's all. But the major service on this bike is at 18,000 miles, and they do a valve check, and it's about $1,300. So that's not bad at all, really. And of course, any wear items that need to be replaced that's not covered under the warranty, you'll have to replace, which, like I told you guys, I was concerned about the belt on this bike because the belt guard can kick up rocks underneath the belt and cause damage, and some people have had snap belts. I have just a little bit of damage. It didn't go through the belt, and they said it's very minor and I shouldn't have any problems. But if you do have to replace that belt, it's $700. And of course, that rear 240 fat tire there, only Pirelli makes that tire, I believe, and it costs about $180 for the tire, and to have them replace it, I think it's going to be about another $150. So it's probably going to cost you like $350 to $400 to replace that rear tire. And you should get about 5,000 to 7,000 miles off of that rear tire. I only have like 2,500 miles on this bike. I'm not going to put a ton of miles on this bike because I have these two other bikes, and I'm also getting, as you guys know, I ordered a Beta 2018 300RR two-stroke that I'll be using as a supermoto and for off-road. As I told you guys before I bought this bike, my plan was to only keep it within the warranty period. I got an extended factory Ducati warranty for $1,000 that covers it for 36 months. And so after 2 years, I'll sell this bike and I'll get something else, unless that belt snaps. If that belt snaps and I have to pay $700 to fix it, then I'll probably sell it, But a lot of people said it's not an issue. Those are isolated incidents with those, people that are having problems with the belt snapping. I'm not going to talk about it anymore. If it snaps, I'll let you guys know. And of course, this bike will probably get sold. But I hope it doesn't, because I really love this bike. I really do, man. It's super expensive. And I'll tell you guys, you probably don't want to own a Ducati out of a warranty. That's why I'm only keeping it for 2 years, because if it's not under warranty, and say you get some electronic problems with this bike, has a ton of electronics on it, it's got everything, man, or the engine problem or something, man, it's gonna be a fortune. So they are expensive, but if you keep the bike within the warranty period, and you'll be fine. It's not gonna be all that expensive. And I'm cheap, guys. I don't want to pay a lot of money. And the smart way is, like I said, get the extended warranty and make sure you have Ducati do the work, like I said, so you don't void your warranty. Insurance on this bike is very inexpensive. It only costs me $240 a year full coverage, $250 deductibles, and that's full coverage. It's literally 50% cheaper than this 2012 CBR 1000RR that cost me like $460 a year full coverage. And of course, this is the cheapest WR250R, and it costs me about $130 a year full coverage. So, and the Beta 300RR is going to cost me, I think, like $260 a year, mainly because it's a 2018. As the years go by, it'll probably get cheaper. If you want to see the review I did on this, the initial review, I didn't do a full review yet, because I'll probably do that after maybe 1,000 miles or so. But I'll include a video link in the description and comment section of this video, along with the video I did to show you how to get a sick deal like I got with this bike. You know, I bought this bike for $14,800, and it was just 1 year old, used, and only had 2,200 miles on it. Excellent condition, as you see here. You know, had I not found that deal, I probably wouldn't have this bike, because brand new, it costs, with taxes, fees, everything's like $25,000, man. You know, so yeah, you gotta have some bucks to own this bike. But if you can find a sick deal like I did, you don't have to have a whole lot of money. $14,800. It's a good chunk of change, but it's a whole lot better than $25,000, man. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a full review on this DeWalt impact wrench, which I plan on using to take off the rear bolt on my CBR 1000 RR, lug nuts on my SUV, and of course, some tough bolts on my Chevy Express 3500 van. Some rusty bolts, and see if I can we'll see how powerful this thing is, man. By the way, I'll include a link in the description and comment section of this video where to get that impact wrench. And of course, I'm going to be doing a review on this fold-up trailer here, which takes very little space. It's awesome. If you want to get this, I'll include a link to this fold-up trailer in the description and comment section of this video as well. And I'm just waiting for the weather to get better, and I have to get it plated, and I'll do a full review on it, so stay tuned for that. For those of you that want to get my gear, tools, everything, all my stuff, just go to my website, CycleCruza.com, and click on the menu tab, My Gear. And those are current links to all of my stuff, tools, motorcycle gear, everything. If you want to see more of my videos, click on the menu tab, My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with my over 1,000 plus videos categorized into those playlists to make it easier for you to navigate through them. Hey, hit thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps my channel, helps me get motivated to do more videos when you hit thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Let them know it's really not all that bad owning the Ducati as far as the expenses. So, and they're really sick, a lot of character. Like I said, I haven't had any major problems, only that little bit of damage on the belt. Don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel, and also go check out my Bug Out Moto channel. It's a van that I customized for cheap that allows me to live in my van with my motorcycle anywhere, and has a ton of cool mods. And that channel has everything from build videos, trip videos, anything and everything Bug Out Moto. As a courtesy, I included 2 video playlists. One for new riders, and those are all of the videos I've done over the years that I feel are helpful for new riders, and also my popular videos playlist. Hey, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Take care.